Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to explain how to enable live streaming on YouTube. To start live streaming on YouTube, you need to first enable the feature. So go to the YouTube website, log into your account, select the correct channel, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner, and switch your account and choose the channel that you want to use for live streaming. If you're already on the correct channel, you can skip this step. Now initiate the stream. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll get the option of create. Go ahead and select it. And now select the go live option. This will take you to a page or something like this. Be aware that it may take up to 24 hours to gain access after you request. So click on request if it displays something like that and verify your phone number. And after the confirmation, you can go to the previous tab and refresh the page and request again. You will then see a countdown indicating that you'll be able to start streaming. After that, you can go ahead, use the streaming software, go through the streaming settings, and then start live streaming on YouTube. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.